Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Jane, and you're probably looking at that thumbnail and going, didn't she already unbox her FabFitFun box? Yes. Yes, she did. They had an add-on sale, and then they had another add-on sale. Help me. So, yes, I got some edit sales. They had an edit sale. And then they had another edit sale. So now I'm like, where did this stuff come from? I don't know. Who did it? I did it. I didn't get that much, but I did get some stuff. So I wanted to go over the things that I got in the edit sale, part 1. My hands are dry. With all that lotion I get, I think they wouldn't be, but they are. We're upcycling excess past boxes to ship out your purchases, including add-ons, edits, and shop orders. Help the environment by recycling this box or turn it into a fun DIY. Oh, so that's why it came in a regular FabFitFun box instead of just a plain box. Okay, the first thing I see in here is this love necklace. I really like these like bar necklaces with words on them. I have one on it that says, or I have one like that and it says inspire on it, but I think I need to fix it. I think the little chain broke and I'm not for sure how to fix it or where it's at currently. So this is by Jukanona. I think that's supposed to be like a J and an N combined. It is 18 karat gold plated. Oh, and it says Jukanona on the back of it. Go ahead and put it on even though you won't be able to see it. I think they just kind of, I mean, I know this is like a Fila sweatshirt, but, Fila? I just realized, how do you pronounce that? But it just kind of, I don't know, does a little something for a not so something outfit. Words are my specialty. Okay, the next thing in here are actually going to be gifts, and they are metal straws. And they're actually silver. I thought they were gold, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. They're actually for my nieces, and I don't know if this will be up before they get them or not, but this will actually prove whether or not they watch my videos. If they know what I'm getting them before they get them, I'll know that they actually are watching my videos. But they were like, I think they were $5 a piece. I don't remember how much the necklace was, but the straws were like $5 for 4. Okay, and those are the straws. Oh man. Okay, the next thing I got in here is from Kevia. And, oh, it's like a knick-knack, patty wipes, give a dog a bone, holder. I probably put some earrings and stuff in here. But it's really cute. I love the gray marbled look. Someday I want some countertops like that. There is a dish in here too, and it says, love you more. So, cute. I think those were, it was either $9 or $11. I don't remember. And then 2 more things in here. I got from Touch and Soul. It is the Honey Glow Essential Base. I have never even heard anything about this. It's supposed to be a primer. Feel like honeymoon skin base. Feel the bouncy and glossy skin. Honey extract formula enhances not only skin's elasticity, moisture, and flexibility, but also soothes minor skin irritation to boost brightness and healthiness. Apply evenly before foundation or BB cream or at the final stage of your skincare regimen. Pat lightly until fully absorbed. So it has like a little spatula. Oh, and it's goopy like honey. See if I can get that closer. Okay, let's see if I can not make a complete mess here. It could be messy. There's a little bit of a smell. I wouldn't say it's a honey smell, just a clean smell. It feels nice on my back of my dry hand. So, okay, and I don't remember how much this was, but it had been fairly cheap for me to do it. So, and then the last thing in here I have is an Ofra highlighter. I truthfully did not check to see if I already have this one. This is the shade Blissful, because it does seem like throughout all subscription boxes, it seems like sometimes they all get the same product, and so I'm not for sure if I have this one or yet. If not, I'll just give it as a gift because it was cheap. It's really pretty. It may be a little dark, but it'll be all right. Let me see if I can check and see if my order history shows how much this stuff was. All of this stuff was $44. Necklace was $5. Touch and Soul Feels Like Honey was $11. The Ofra highlighter was only $9. The trinket jar and plate dish was $9. And the straws were $5 a piece. $44 for everything, and there was no tax and no shipping because it was over a certain amount. That is the end of this video. So the next one that I have, I found something for my mom on there, and it was only $5, and so I didn't want to pay shipping. And so you had to go spend a certain amount to get it. So, and I didn't really see anything else that interests me. So I just got another spring box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. That'd be amazing. Absolutely amazing. You'd be like a rock star to me if you were to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day. Bye.